Whoops. This was not planned, just let me be clear, but this is supposed to happen next week, but because a package came now and I wanted to make like a unboxing together of what it might contain. If I think it is what I think it is, if it is what I think it is, this is like a big announcement of a new partner we have in the team. So let me get my knife and let's open it together. Sorry about the mess, but I was just packing some orders and making some shirts, and yeah, I mean, a main message came to me. Ooh. Yes, it is what I think it was, and I'm gladly to wait a second. And I'm gladly announcing our new partner, sponsor, and member of the racing squad, of the racing thing. It's LINK ECU. So LINK ECU is basically from now on a partner from our team, and also a partner that you can buy their stuff and LINK ECU's management stuff on our website. And we are slowly going to be providing also selling stuff, selling screens, ECUs and everything on our website, and also we'll be sending you accordingly to the specific and correct people for management and tuning. So let's see, what do we have here? We have the MXG Strada display. MXG Strada display. We have. That's surprisingly good episode, a bonus episode for this week. We have a Razer PDM for power distribution management, as you know. Yeah, I mean, this is supposed to happen later this year because we're not touching the engine and everything until later this year, but the deal came up. We spoke with some members of the LINK ECU and we made the deal, so we worked together and built the car together. So there's a lot of like connectors and switches, and I got the friends from there now send me stuff that they believe I will need for my build. Sexy can keypad, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 12 button keypad. And then the main the main guest of our tonight's unboxing is the brand new G5. It's a brand new G5 Voodoo Neo ECU. Boom! So I'm new to all of this stuff, to be honest. So most of the stuff will be in small videos later with going along with the build. So I'm gonna be introducing you and you're gonna be following me with my journey of learning all of this stuff. Jesus, look at this thing. Oh, yeah. So short, small episode announcing my partnership and thing going on with LINK ECU. That's a really big for me, having such a partner and such a team behind my ECU needs and management and everything. So this is a really big deal for me, to be honest. I never thought I would be here in this position, but I am. Stickers. I want to see. Wow. This is the 7-inch MXG screen for the race car. Yeah. So, thanks for watching, and you can come by Gedzo.eu and order your stuff through us. This will support us really with the whole project and everything I'm building here. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.